Nowadays, everyone has a mobile phone. It is 400,000 times more powerful than the computer in the spaceship on which a man flew to the moon. Nowadays, we have artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data, neural networks, all that we call progress. But what has changed in more than 50 years since the flight? According to statistics, 70% of people on Earth go to work which they do not like, and up to 85% of marriages break up. And the top bloggers are those people who cannot be associated with the word development. And that is the result of progress? Obviously, with more than 6,000 dating services and giants like LinkedIn, HH, the situation should be different. Something is clearly going wrong. Why are IT giants unable, or rather unwilling, to solve these problems, having such resources and technologies? You must admit that today, when the camera can recognize the face of a person in a crowd, when a machine can determine our preferences in a few clicks on photos, when the information giants know a little less about us than everything, it is not about technical impossibility. It is more about unwillingness. What would happen if services helped you solve problems? Then, if you went to a site searching for a job or an employee, you would find your dream job or perfect employee with just one click. And dating services would help people form happy couples with just one click. Then you would not return to the service and pay money again and again. Then the metrics and the retention would decrease, which is critical for the company. It turns out that the IT giants are not interested in a quick and high quality solution to your problem. They create a deliberately low-quality product. Of course, business is about money, but true business is aimed at a high-quality solution to users' problems. We offer a different approach to solving users' basic needs. We are not inventing the bicycle, we want to reinvent it. And that's what we do. We are creating a true digital ecosystem that can solve the real problems of users in the field of work, personal life, and hobbies with one click. We do not use deliberately low-quality solutions for the sake of increasing retention. Imagine that you went to a dating service, filled out a questionnaire, and also indicated that your dream is to go to space. The system will select a life partner not only according to the main criteria, but also find someone who also would like to go to space. If you wish, the system will also find friends who will be happy to talk about going to space. Find out where the event dedicated to going to space takes place, and also offer a job in a company that deals with going to space. This is the approach we are implementing in the SFERA digital ecosystem. We increase the efficiency of each service and the entire platform. We reduce retention in a particular service by solving problems here and now. But at the same time, retention in the entire ecosystem increases as the user is satisfied. And most importantly, SFERA is about user development. The system will recommend and promote developing content and remove content that leads to degradation from the output. Developing content can and should be interesting, informative, entertaining, funny, and most importantly, useful. All the algorithms of the IT giants work according to the same scheme. If you stay on something a little longer than usual, you watch such content only. And if you subscribe to a channel that interests you, there is no guarantee that the system will output content from this channel. It means that they decide for you what you will see. SFERA is an absolutely useful application where the user is more important than the algorithms. Each service in the ecosystem must meet two criteria. 1. It solves problems of an offline life, such as work, personal life, hobbies. 2. It is aimed at the development of the user and is beneficial. We are on a very difficult path, and if you share our views, join us. We will not change the world. We will rewrite the code.